The Weather app allows the current weather statistics, including a 5-day forecast and local radar information, to be viewed through multiple guides and menus. It can be accessed through the Apps category to instantly bring up an on-screen window with the most current weather information. Select the Menu button on your remote control. Select Apps, highlight Weather, and select the OK button. A window will appear on the screen with the most current weather data for the selected area, along with a 5-day forecast. Press the green button to see a more detailed forecast, and press the yellow button to see the radar. The radar is automatically animated. Press the blue button for the current radar with no animation. To return to the current weather window, press the red button on the remote control. To set the selected area for weather information, choose the Weather tab from the Settings menu, and the Weather Options window will appear. If there are multiple areas available, then you may select the desired area for which you would like to receive weather information or statistics. The current weather conditions for the area you have chosen can also be viewed in the channel guide and the browser bar.